TFNN Headline News Update. Here's Tom O'Brien.
Welcome, folks. We have the Dow Industrials up 15. You get the Nasdaq flat. S&P's also flat. Gold contract up $3.50, trading at $12.30 an ounce. We have silver up 4 cents, $17.37 an ounce. Platinum's up $3, $9.61 an ounce. We get copper up a penny, $2.67 a pound. Light sweet crude up 27 cents. $49, 2 cents a barrel. And the bottom line with the oil market, folks, that oil market looks like it wants to go after the 46 to 47 level, which is its lowest swing point. Notes, the 10-year note up 4 ticks, 123.22. 30-year bond up 7 ticks, 148.03. Notes and bonds, what they did this past week is this. They rejected lower price. They got out of their higher range. They rejected the lower range. They went topside with wide price spread and volume. Now what you're going to have on the weekly and the daily, you're in the higher range. Bottom line, they want higher price, lower yield. King dollar. King dollar down another 105 ticks. We're at 100.075. King dollar, folks, is going after its February 2nd swing low. That's 99.145. This bottom line is that that wants lower price, and it's getting down there with conviction, by the way. Euro. The euro is trading at 107 to the U.S. dollar. The yen is trading at 112.92 to the U.S. dollar. We get over and we take a look at the S&P. What you have with the SPY is this. Hanging sideways up here. Right now you're up 12 cents. You're at 237.57. Bottom line is that anything, a close under the 238.37 today would end up being a failure on price and volume on the daily and on the weekly. It's subtle, but it's there. Dow Industrials is the weak link out here. Dow right now is up $10. Close under 20,957, and we're at 20,945 right now. Would be the same type of setup, meaning a failure on the daily and on the weekly. The composite, the Nasdaq composite, that right now that is flat, 5,900. The composite would have to close down under 58.65. I don't see that going happening out here today. NDX 100. What do you have with the NDX 100? Right now, you're up 3 pennies. The NDX 100, we're at 131.77. Now, this one's going to get interesting because if this does close under 131.68, that would end up being a failure on price and volume. The volume's going to be close. You'd have to wait to the end of the day on this one. Gold contract. What do we have with the gold contract? Gold contract, folks, pot of gold. Happy St. Patrick's Day to everyone. Bottom line, gold wants higher price. The pot of gold came in when the Fed only went up 0.25%. What you have out here, we're at 1230.90. That contract right now is making its way up to the 1264 area. Silver, same setup in silver. We go over to the note market. What you have with notes is this. Note market out here is trading at 123.23. Now, this is well inside its higher range again. The bottom of that range that it broke out of is 123. What we did here is that you broke down, can't bust them down. Guess what? It's going topside. And 30-year, same type of setup in the 30-year. 30-year right now is trading at a price point of 148.05. And as soon as you're back inside the 147.21, you're in the higher range. And what's it all about? It's all about King Dollar, folks. Bottom line, King Dollar can't hold price. You have sellers in King Dollar. We're down 115 ticks. What I expect you're going to see out here today, we're going to break the 100 mark, and that's not, it's a psychological mark. That's all it is. We got down to 99,970 overnight, and I expect as we're making our way through the day here, that's where we're going to go. Longer range, meaning next week sometime, you're going to be down into this 99.145. You break that, and you're going to be down into the 96 area. This 10 a.m. update is brought to you each and every day by Everbank. For more information on the products they offer, you can give them a call at 855-750-4051 or visit everbank.com/TFNN. Have a great day. Have a safe day. Have a happy St. Patrick's Day. Be safe out there, folks. Look forward to speaking. Right back here, 10 o'clock, Monday morning.
If you're looking to unearth a new financial resource and diversify your financial portfolio, consider the new Market-Safe Core Commodity CD from Everbank. This 5-year U.S. dollar-denominated CD gives you exposure to 4 equally weighted commodities: gold, copper, WTI oil, and sugar, in one powerful CD. With no pricing caps, you can potentially earn an unlimited upside payment at maturity if the commodities increase in value across semi-annual pricing dates. And should the opposite occur, your principal is 100% protected. Keep in mind, returns are based on CD performance. There's no annual percentage yield or periodic rate of interest on this index CD. Don't miss out. With certain commodities on the rebound, now is the time to take advantage. The March 23rd funding deadline will be here before you know it. So call 1-855-750-4051 or visit everbank.com/TFNN for the CD's term sheet and other important product details and disclosures. Once more, that's 1-855-750-4051 or visit everbank.com/TFNN. This advertisement is sponsored content. Everbank is a member FDIC.